Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to the kitchen. I know I look like an Eskimo and this is Florida and I apologize, but we are going down to the 20s. Today's meal is simple, easy, dumb. Because it's cold and I'm ready to go inside, we're just gonna have hash browns and fried eggs and some sausage. And my father-in-law gave me this really nice skillet for Christmas. So that's what we're gonna use, and I'm gonna cook it all at one time and show you how it's done. Alright, all you're going to need is, these are Hungry Jack hash browns, the dry ones. All you have to do is add a little water, let them sit and soak it up, and then make sure that you run it through a sieve and get them nice and dry. That's $1.25, okay? This is a very inexpensive, nice dinner, or breakfast, or lunch, whatever you want to have it for. I'm going to use 4 eggs, 6 pieces of American cheese, the real stuff, not the plastic stuff. I'm going to use some red bell peppers that I had frozen previously, and some onion, that's about 1/2 cup of each, some link sausage, whatever kind you like, some butter, and some olive oil, salt and pepper. I'm going to set my skillet right here at 300. That's plenty hot enough. My skillet's getting nice and warm now, so I'm going to take just a little bit of olive oil and I'm going to put it right here on the side. And I'm going to start that sausage. Hear that little sizzle? I love that sizzle, y'all. All right, we're just going to set those right there. Then I'm going to go right on across. With a little bit of olive oil, I'm just streaking it. It's not a lot. And then I'm going to take some butter that's already got hard and put it on there. And let that start to melt. Probably about 2.5 tablespoons. I think that'll be plenty. Now I won't scratch my new skillet, y'all, so we're just going to try doing it with this silicone and see if that works. But the reason I put the olive oil and then the butter is because I don't want my butter to burn. And if you mix that olive oil in there, or whatever kind of oil you like, then your butter won't get brown as fast. Oh, no. And I'm spilling stuff. I'm going to put my onions on here. I'm just going to kind of break them around, and they're kind of large. I didn't cut them or dice them. I just kind of made little chunks out of them so I could taste it. Same thing with these peppers. I use red peppers just because it'll make it prettier, make a nicer dish. And then I'm going to drop my hash browns all over the top of that. You know, I told you these hash browns were only $1.25. That's because you can get them at the Dollar Tree in those little cartons. That's plenty for, you know, 3 or 4 easily. All right. Now we're just going to let those cook and those get brown. Oh, salt and pepper. Let's do that. Y'all know we like a lot of pepper, so Get that on there. And my salt shaker got a little wet, so I'm gonna have to use my regular, and I like kosher salt anyway, so it's fine. And we're just gonna drop that salt all the way across the top, and we're gonna let that brown. Okay, after it starts cooking like this, you really need to avoid wanting to flip it. Okay, just let it sit there and let that bottom get nice and brown. The steam is gonna be cooking those potatoes and onions and peppers, and you don't need to flip it. The more you flip it, the less pretty brownness you're gonna get. So don't flip it. Okay, my hash browns are getting brown on the outside. You can see that those are starting to turn brown. That's when you want to flip it. And then you want to kind of go backwards against the grain like that. See, like that one's nice and brown. That pepper got nice and brown. Just use your judgment, you know. See there, nice and brown, but not burnt. You don't want to leave it there till it burns, but you definitely want it nice and brown. Now it's time to check our sausage. We're just gonna flip that right over. Look how pretty and brown. And you can do this in a skillet, no problem. Before I got this nice handy dandy skillet, that's where I did it. Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna flip, but I am gonna flip them one more time. Just like that. I'm gonna stack them back up kind of together. I'm going to add my cheese. This is Randy's favorite cheese. And for this, it does work. But you can use, you know, a good cheddar cheese or something. But Randy likes to see those whole squares of cheese on his hash browns. Like at Waffle House. You know how at Waffle House they give you those nice little squares? Well, we're going to do that right here. All right, these are done now too. They're nice and brown on both sides. I'm going to slide those over here so that they stay hot. I'm going to wipe this off just a little bit with a paper towel. Just so my eggs will be pretty. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of butter on here so my eggs won't stick. And I'm going to fry some over easy eggs. Oop, one broke. Already one broke. Guess that one's mine. And then I'm going to salt and pepper them. Little salt on there. All right. I'm going to wait for that white to get firm, and then I'm going to flip. Okay, I'm gonna break my eggs apart so they'll be easier to flip. Then over they go. Oops. Go. Alright, here's my, oh, I broke it. My over easy yolks. Just like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna grab us some right off the skillet. Can't get easier than this. Got our sausage. We got a nice chunk of hash brown. Wait, let me grab this. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got it. Dinner, dinner, winner.
Okay.
Wait.
Why do I gotta wait?
This is all this stuff's out here.
Okay. Let me taste some hash browns. I'm gonna do like any other man does and devour every bite.
Oh yeah. We really probably didn't even need a taste test of this. You know it's good.
No, but I had to start eating.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, that's great. Hey, if you guys didn't know how to make over easy eggs and fry up some hash browns or heat up some sausage on a skillet, you know how to do it now.
Yeah, it's easy peasy and everybody's happy.
And I'm not trying to use my fork as a shovel. I'm just right now trying to balance all this stuff on my fork. Y'all have a good one.
See you in the next video. Bye.